डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पहले हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे बेसिक टाइप्स ऑफ रडार। आपने देखा होगा, तो वो हमने उस लास्ट टॉपिक में हमने 4 टाइप के रडार बताए थे आपको। फर्स्ट वन वाज बेसिक पल्स रडार, कंटिन्यूस वेव रडार, फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेटेड रडार एंड एमटीआई रडार, जिसमें कि हमने बेसिक पल्स रडार डिस्कस कर लिया था, ट्रांसमीटर एंड रिसीवर, ये दोनों पार्ट। नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू डिस्कस कंटिन्यूस वेव radar. In this continuous wave radar, बेसिकली प्रीवियस बेसिक पल्स रडार में हमने क्या देखा था कि उसमें जो पल्स यूज की थी, जो सिग्नल यूज किया गया था, दैट वाज द पल्स सिग्नल। बट इन दिस कंटिन्यूस वेव डॉपलर वी यूज ट्रांसमिट साइन वेव यूज किया था। एंड अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर दैट इज यूज, दैट इज डॉपलर इफेक्ट। नाउ फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द डॉपलर इफेक्ट। ठीक है, now basically as we know, in the case of radar there is one source and there is one observer, and if there is distance between the source and observer is, let's say, d, so with the help of radio frequencies we find out the distance between the radar and the target. So if what we have to see here, what is Doppler effect? Doppler effect is the apparent change in the frequency of source due to relative motion between the source and the observer. Is it clear, or shall I repeat it again? Doppler effect is the apparent change in the frequency of source due to relative motion between the source and observer is called Doppler effect. Let me explain you with the example. Here what we are seeing is source and another one is observer. If both are constant, then their frequency is fixed. But if we'll see, if this is observer, let's say it is fixed, but source is moving, so there will be change in the frequency. If source is moving in the opposite direction, away from the observer, then there will be some other frequency. If source is moving towards the observer, then this frequency will be different. So this change of frequency is considered as a Doppler effect. Fine. So below is the block diagram of continuous wave Doppler. Okay. Above is transmitting. There are two things. One is transmitting antenna and below is a receiving antenna. Fine. Here is in CW, transmitting continuous wave or transmitting oscillator. We have used here sine wave because we know what is sine wave. Sine wave is like this. This is continuous wave. Okay, so this is sine wave. So let's say this is some frequency f t transmitting, and below is a transmitting mixture. And at the receiving side there is some frequency ft plus minus fd. Fd is a Doppler frequency. We have taken here plus minus, means that is generally considered for the practical purposes 30 megahertz, but it can be plus or minus something else. So it will go into the receiver mixer. Here we have taken IF oscillator, means that is considered as a local oscillator. Fine. Local oscillator that has some frequency fi, though both are merging, going into ft plus fi and goes into the receiver mixture. So after that we will get fi, after the mixture we will get here fi plus minus fd, and it will go to if amplifier, then detector will go to fd, then audio amplifier, and finally it will go to frequency counter and indicator. So this is the block diagram of continuous wave Doppler. Fine. अब now this has some advantages and disadvantages. One of its advantages is its circuitry is very simple, and another advantage is low power consumption, and another one is low transmitting power. But it has some drawbacks. It has a biggest drawback is it is not capable to identify the large number of targets. Fine. एंड अनदर वन इट इज़ नॉट कैपेबल टू इंडिकेट द रेंज ऑफ टारगेट, मीन जो टारगेट है हमारा उसमें इतने लार्ज नंबर ऑफ टारगेट्स को इट इज नॉट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई, एंड अनदर वन इट इज़ नॉट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई द range of targets. So this is the main drawback, and to avoid all these problems there is improved version of CW Doppler, that is FMCW, frequency modulated continuous wave Doppler. Fine. So our next radar type is frequency FMCW, frequency modulated continuous wave Doppler. FM is frequency modulated continuous wave Doppler, CW continuous wave. So again we will here is use continuous wave. So this is the block diagram of continuous wave modulator. जो हमारा लास्ट में CW जो डॉपलर था उसका ड्रॉबैक क्या था, नॉट कैपेबल टू आइडेंटिफाई लार्ज नंबर ऑफ टारगेट्स एज वेल एज इट्स रेंज. सो इसी प्रॉब्लम को ओवरकम करने के लिए वी हैव यूज्ड हियर फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेटेड. सो हियर इज अ ट्रांसमिटिंग एंड इट इज द रिसीविंग एंटीना. So but here we have not used sine wave, we have used here sawtooth wave generator. Okay, sawtooth wave सबको पता है, ठीक है. So it will go to frequency modulated and again CW oscillator, it will go to a mixer, amplifier, limiter, frequency counter, and then will go to indicator. So here we have used this one, and it is has the important property that is preferred due to short range. Fine. And small antenna can be used in this case, and it is another important feature is low power equipment. So continuous wave Doppler के ऊपर हम frequency modulated continuous wave Doppler को prefer करते हैं. Fine. So this is all about the basic type of radars. मैंने इसको 2 पार्ट्स में किया है, आप एक पहली वाली वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है यू कैन आस्क एनी टाइम. ओके, थैंक यू.